In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Personalization available here. Now select Icons under Lock Style and operate this slider to adjust size of them. You can check out Preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!